Hello. Today we're going to talk about Module 2 Introduction. So I'm not going to actually do a lesson here, but just the front matter of what's going on. We're going to work on multiplying and dividing integers in this module. So our essential question is how can you use multiplication and division of integers to solve real-world problems? So if you go through and you take a look here, we have 3 lessons in here: multiplying and dividing integers, and then applying the integers in like real-world operations. There's a video here. If you click on, you guys got your login to the my.hrw.com website. So if you go there and you click the student edition and you pull this up, you can click right down here and you can go check out this video. We got a gentleman there that shows you how math is used in the real world, and it centers on using the multiplying and dividing integers. Also, if you recall, we have, here's the website I just talked about, my.hrw.com. There's the math on the spot. This is Professor Berger. He shows you whenever that icon is in the book, you can click on it, and that shows you some additional information to help you out. You have an animated math and a personal math trainer. If you click on those icons, that will help you also working on additional problems. So here's the Are You Ready? So you can see the personal math trainer right there. It goes over some basic things to get you started. You might want to try these out and see how you're doing. Okay. Here's order of operations, which is one of the things that we're going to talk about. Gives you kind of some steps on everything. I always use the acronym Pemdas, which is your parentheses, exponents, then you multiply and divide from left to right in the order that it occurs, and then add and subtract, again, in the order that it occurs. So if you have subtraction before addition, you would do that first. Scrolling down here, we have our vocabulary words. So the ones that are checked are the ones that you would use in trying to find out where they go in here. Okay. The other thing that you can do, I believe in the student edition, is that you can go ahead and click on these words and it'll take you right to the dictionary so that you can see them. So divide, dividend, divisor, that's the parts of when you're doing a division problem. Integers, we've already started learning on. Multiply, negative numbers, operation, opposites, positive numbers, product, and quotient. So those are some of our vocabulary words. Here, fill in the blank. Okay, try to do that. And again, down here, these are our standards that we're going to be working on. So you're going to be responsible learning the Common Core 7th grade standards for number sense 2.A, and they explain it here. Okay, so you want to take a look at that and how to read it. Here's again one of the key vocabularies of integers. And I think if we go down, we have another one. Yep, then there's 2B. All right, and again, this helps you. Don't let all this algebra down here confuse you. We're going to talk about that. It's just placeholders for numbers. So we could substitute a number in right here. We could put in, like, say, 3/4, okay? But that would also mean that this one, wherever we see a P, that means that P is going to be a 3, that P is going to be a 3 also. So we have to be consistent about that, and we could talk a little bit more about it. If you got a smartphone, anytime you're just in your regular book, you can scan this QR code and it'll take you right to wherever it has. So that's a quick overview of what the module is going to be about, and continue on looking at the lessons 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Thank you and have a good day.